right, still on the matter of street hands on Wazobia TV. My name is MC Shaggy. Street hands channel 195 in the Watch Me Live. One people, you know how we do on comedy, just the street and everything, you know the kind of thing. And so we do on now. Still on the matter. I don't know the name of the shop when I did shop, but I know yes. Talk why now, so that people when they hear me for us, they will come for Ijesha. Are they for Ijesha market? And are they for what shop like that? What will be the name of the shop? S-Ratio. S-Crash. When I know they call the name of the shop where now I want to make customer come from north, east, west side of Nigeria. I mean they can't do here yet. What will be the name, madam? Say
X-Ratio.
Okay, X-Ratio. Yeah, this is S-Ratio hairdressing salon when they for Ijesha Road. Still on the matter. Back a deck. I tell you, if you just wake up one morning as a man or as a woman, your husband just wake up or your man just wake up, now give you toothbrush and toothpaste. They can't give you sponge, can't give you soap. Say now be your birthday gift. My brother, how you go feel that moment? My brother, a natural body odor you get everywhere. Maybe wait till you talk come outside. What you do? When we go enter street, most ask you, madam, what you get to talk? If now you, what you do?
Nothing. Very brush man. Nothing. I'm not doing anything.
What of if now you? What of if now you, madam?
Maybe he won't change. Maybe the woman know the bath well. Or maybe know the wash him teeth well. That's why the husband give her the brush when he take her to wash him mouth. Or maybe know the bath well. That's why the husband give her the my God, I exit on the computer. As the matter now change. My God, I plan you. I don't think I think don't give me a birthday gift. I got accept normal.
Still on the matter, street chance of Wazobia TV. Back at that. Oh shit. Back at that. All right. Still on the matter, street chance of Wazobia TV. Bro, how far how you did? No, I don't. Wazobia TV, street chance. You know what you did there? If your wife just wake up one day and your birthday, that day come your birthday. The gift when give you now toothbrush, toothpaste, and sponge.
Yeah.
What you go do?
No, she's congratulating me on my bed.
For the body odor and everything.
Yes, she's congratulating. Yeah. She told me to get myself clean. Yeah.
Nice one. Still on the matter, street chat. Back it. Okay, too much. All right. Still on the matter. You want to give me what? Yeah. Make it there. All right. How far now? Correct, madam. Last. Now you be last. Who show me this one? Who show me this? No, who show you they call? Last. All right, still on the matter of street chance of Wazobia TV. Make it there. Madam, make us now one question. Your husband and your wife wake up in the morning, now give you toothbrush, comb, and sponge, soap as birthday gift. What you go do?
Now you go give me sponge and brush in the morning for my birthday present.
Na rubbish na. Why you go give me brush and spoon?
It means that you know the bath well.
Me say you bath well. Who tell that? Why you dey see am every day by?
You know the bath well. You don't be a attire and say, hey, make order not come give me for this house. You don't see me. He say, make order not give me for this house. I bet honey take toothbrush. Make order not give me. Take brush. Take sponge, take this, take soap, go bath well. Not true love, oh.
Not true love, that one.
So you know like that?
No, that one is nonsense.
But if I tell you that this is okay, take your
You don't rub body with the audio.
if not me, I know go give soap. I go give you agbo when go take bath. All right, still on the matter of street chants on Wazobia TV. My name is MC Shaggy. Street chants, comedian of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Back it. Oh shit! I bet somebody give me a handkerchief. Still on the matter. Madam, good afternoon. How far are you? Well done. Salam alaikum. Now fasting period, Abi. All right, Mushi Olosha, Mushi Olosha, Mushi Olosha, Mushi Olosha. Allah. See what you did in a question I carry on. Now Wazobia TV with this. All right, still on the matter of street hands. Now street hands out of the color. Fine, how you did? Yeah, you sweat today. Like say don't tire. Where you trying to come from? Receive that nothing on strength now. Okay. So what happen there? You wake up in the morning, your husband give you toothbrush as birthday gift. Give you toothbrush, toothpaste as birthday gift. Then from toothpaste, now I can give you sponge and soap as birthday gift. How you go feel that?
I will be happy and I will be inside that. My husband give me something that is very good and is nice.
It's nice.
Yes. Yes. I will not think anything now because I know that he's my husband and he loves me. He loved me. That's why he gave it to me. Yes. Yes.
What of you?
I'll be very shocked now.
Yeah?
I'll be shocked at
You'll be
first.
shocked like seeing a transformer show.
The second I'll be asking, am I smelling or what?
You know this smell. Okay, what of you?
I'm not married.
You are not married. What of you don't marry? What of you now your brother now give you as that gift? What you go do?
I'll be shocked
You'll
too.
be shocked. All of them go shocked. Now they work for them office. Shock. Still on the matter, straight chance of Wazobia TV. Okay, well done. How far now? How market today?
We thank God.
You sure see you talk when I need to hear your voice. I need to
I
feel
say
it.
we thank God.
Okay, so what you did there? You be Muslim.
No, I'm a Christian.
I'm not tell you salam alaikum now. As you wake up this morning, if you wake up now and today come be your birthday, your husband, your boyfriend, you don't marry.
No.
Okay. Your boyfriend now can't give you birthday gift. Your birthday gift can be toothbrush, toothpaste, then sponge and soap. How you go feel?
I will be happy now just to wake up and take the toothbrush and toothpaste. I'll brush it.
They can't give you toothbrush. They can't give you sponge. Take bath.
I'll add soap. Bath.
Bath. You know what that signifies? Since how many years you dey bath? You know they clean. Money go and bath yourself. Abi? Don't be so.
That's all.
Last thing at the shy type, still on the matter, straight out the one. So be a TV. Make it. Alpha. Where this one they go? Where this one they go? Lawas. I dey load for you. Lawas. Okay. You dey go front, Abi. Swaju there. Swaju Allah. Lawas. All right, still on the matter, my guy. Get one question. I'll try. Baba, if Baba park now, make you off your engine. You get one question I want to ask you. As a guy, bros, you have to put mouth. See, guy, put mouth for this matter. As a guy, you wake up, your wife can't give you birthday gifts as toothbrush, toothpaste, can't give you sponge, can't give you soap. How you go feel that moment?
I don't feel say I dey very dirty now. Like say I'm a dirty guy. Yes.
What the?
I'll feel the same now. I'll feel the same like I'm dirty too. Yo.
What the? This one. What the? Okay now. The street chance on Wazobia TV. Back it up. That guy won't carry me go. You know start area before. Don't start area before. Oh boy. So how far, madam? If now you, how you go?
Shane, if na me give am the brush. I mean say, in the time make I correct myself now. Maybe my mouth dey smell. I no sabi but.
Partners chance or what? Okay, I get him to talk about this matter.
Yeah.
Okay, come on. You know the twins. You know the twins. When I get the same bad head, so go. Alright, so the matter of 3 times on Wazobia TV. If you watch me live, now like this, I tell you, wrap this segment up. But not touch you there. Well, I don't tire.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.